Hi guys. So yesterday was my birthday. Yes, happy birthday to me. Or happy belated birthday to me. So Stevie and I went to Porcupine Mountains and traveled, or not traveled, but explored around there. Super fun. If you're into hiking and different things like that, there's a lot of different hiking trails to go see. We just went on the top of the mountain, but there's one where you can walk down and see the mouth of the Carp River. And then there's a one if you're driving up to the top of the mountain, you can go. It's called Lake Superior Trail, which brings you down to. I'm assuming it's a long trail because you're halfway up the road, but you go all the way down to the shoreline of Lake Superior. There is another one, or one that we took. It's called Union Mine Trail, and it basically takes you to where the Union Mine was, and you get to see they got little tiny plaques along the trail where you get to see where different things were in the mine. Pretty cool. So if you're into hiking, I would definitely go do that. But right now, I'm sitting here editing all the pictures from yesterday, and I am eating one of my favorite dinners. My mom made pasty pie. So, for some of you who love just plain old pasty, it's basically the same thing, just meat, potatoes, and onion and salt and pepper with a little bit of crust. Or maybe if you've never even, I don't know if anybody's never even heard of it. But like I just said, it's just meat and potatoes, and let me show you. So this is all it is. It's meat, potatoes, I do ketchup, and onion, salt and pepper, and then with the crust. So good. So it's been one of my favorite things to eat as a kid. I'm in my room. I just got out of the shower. So, but, yeah. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. I will be posting, I'll probably be posting another video correction. I took some videos and stuff yesterday that I'm gonna send over to Stevie, and we're gonna put one big video together so you guys can see both. But it's gonna be really fun. Sorry, I'm super tired from yesterday. I didn't get home till 12:30, 1:45 this morning, and I got up at 7 a.m. or 7:30. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update of how my day went yesterday, and yeah. So hope you all enjoy. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. Again, like, subscribe to my page, comment on what you want to see. Let me know. Love you guys. Mwah. I'm out.